Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of fiber, a nutrient that's having a major moment, and exploring some of the best sources that go beyond your typical whole grain bread. Fiber is more than just a trend, it's a vital component of a healthy diet, supporting gut health, promoting satiety, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, let's get into it and uncover some of the most fiber-rich foods out there, along with some personal insights and commentary. First things first, let's talk about why fiber matters. Unlike protein, which most of us consume in abundance, fiber is a nutrient that many of us are falling short on. According to experts, 9 out of 10 Americans don't meet the recommended daily intake of 25 to 38 grams of fiber. But why is this such a big deal? Well, fiber is like the unsung hero of our digestive system. It aids digestion, nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, slows the absorption of carbohydrates, and helps keep us feeling full longer. It's like having a personal assistant in our gut, keeping everything running smoothly. Now, let's talk about some of the best sources of fiber that go beyond the whole grain bread. One of my personal favorites is black beans. Not only are they a great source of plant-based protein, but they're also a fiber powerhouse. A single half a cup serving of canned black beans provides a whopping 9 grams of fiber. What makes black beans so special is that they provide both soluble and insoluble fiber, doing double duty for digestive and heart health. Research shows that eating 1 cup of canned beans a day, including black beans, can help lower total and LDL cholesterol in adults with elevated levels. So, next time you're cooking up a taco or a soup, throw in some black beans for an extra boost of fiber and nutrition. Another fiber-rich food that's worth highlighting is avocados. Yes, those creamy, buttery fruits are not just a source of healthy fats, but they're also packed with fiber. A whole avocado contains about 10 grams of fiber, which is quite impressive. A recent study found that eating an avocado a day reduced LDL particles that transport cholesterol in the blood, corresponding to about a 4% reduction in heart disease risk. The type of fiber in avocado is classified as a prebiotic, and research has shown that eating 1 avocado a day significantly increased gut microbiome diversity, especially in individuals who started with a lower quality diet. So, next time you're making a salad or a grain bowl, don't forget to add some avocado slices for an extra dose of fiber and nutrition. Now, let's talk about artichokes. These leafy vegetables are not just delicious, but they're also packed with fiber. A whole, fresh steamed artichoke delivers about 7 grams of fiber, one of the highest fiber counts of any vegetable. Canned or jarred artichoke hearts may contain slightly less, but they're still a convenient and budget-friendly alternative, providing about 4 grams of fiber per half a cup serving. Artichokes are especially rich in inulin, a type of soluble prebiotic fiber that may help reduce constipation along with other gut health benefits. So, next time you're looking for a side dish or a snack, consider steaming or grilling some artichokes and dipping them in extra virgin olive oil. Moving on to fruits, raspberries are one of the most fiber-dense fruits you can buy. A half a cup serving of raspberries provides about 4 grams of fiber, making them an easy and delicious way to boost fiber intake at breakfast or snack time. Raspberries are not only full of fiber, but their deep red color is a cue to the beneficial plant compounds inside, including anthocyanins that have been linked to better heart health and reduced inflammation. So, next time you're making a spinach salad or enjoying a snack, toss in some raspberries for an extra boost of fiber and nutrition. Now, let's talk about edamame. These young, green soybeans deliver a satisfying combination of fiber and complete plant protein, a pairing that slows digestion and helps promote fullness. A 1/2 cup serving of shelled edamame, easy to find in the freezer aisle, provides about 4 grams of fiber. As a minimally processed whole soy food, edamame also provides compounds called isoflavones that have been associated with improvements in cardiovascular health when eaten as part of an overall healthy dietary pattern. So, next time you're making a grain bowl or a salad, toss in some edamame for an extra boost of fiber and protein. Finally, let's talk about chia seeds. These small but mighty seeds pack a whopping 10 grams of fiber in just 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons. Besides fiber, the tiny seeds contain protein, alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, omega-3s, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and bioactive compounds. Studies suggest chia seeds may have anti-inflammatory benefits and help lower LDL cholesterol and blood pressure. Their unique ability to absorb water creates a gel-like consistency that's ideal for thickening smoothies, overnight oats, puddings, and baked goods. So, next time you're making a smoothie or a baked good, add some chia seeds for an extra boost of fiber and nutrition. Now, let's talk about some tips for eating more fiber. Adding more fiber to your diet doesn't require a huge overhaul. Small, consistent swaps can make a big difference. Explore new grains like farro, barley, bulgur, freekeh, and quinoa for grain bowls and side dishes. Ramp up gradually, as your digestive system needs time to adjust, and drinking plenty of water can help minimize digestive discomfort and support regularity. Lean on convenience like frozen fruit, frozen vegetables, and canned beans, which are nutritious shortcuts that make it easier to hit your fiber goals. And most importantly, focus on addition, not restriction. When you build meals around fiber-rich foods you enjoy, increasing your fiber becomes a sustainable habit instead of another nutrition rule to follow. In conclusion, while whole grain bread can get you on your way to your fiber goals, you'll need to add more fiber-rich options to get there. Foods like black beans, avocados, artichokes, raspberries, edamame, and chia seeds all deliver considerably more fiber per serving, plus additional benefits, from heart-healthy fats to gut-friendly prebiotics. Variety matters as much as quantity, as different fiber-rich foods feed different gut bacteria, supporting a healthier, more diverse microbiome than relying on just one food or a fiber-fortified option. So, the next time you're at the grocery store or cooking up a meal, don't forget to add some of these fiber-rich foods to your diet for a healthier and happier you.